I absolutely love these instant thermometers. With my older thermometers, it seemed to take seconds, maybe even a minute to read the correct temperature. With these, it's instantly output on the screen here. It's also got a built-in light. I love that it turns off automatically when it's closed and immediately turns on when you open it. Also, it has the common temperatures here for poultry, meats, beef, as well as ham down at the bottom. Always nice to have that reference. You can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. It also has 3 functions for hold, min, and max temperature. So the hold, to get into that mode, you hold down this button. Once that's on, it's going to maintain the temperature that it was pressed, or that it was at when the hold was pressed. You can also use the min and max. Again, you hold down that button for about 5 seconds for it to switch over. Once in max mode, it's going to maintain the highest temperature that it gets up to. So I'm just rubbing the end here to heat it up a little bit. And as I let go, you can see it's recorded the maximum temperature. And then also the minimum temperature is the same. It's going to maintain the lowest temperature there. On the back, it's got the battery, comes with one, and it also comes with an extra battery. In the box, you get an instruction card on temperatures for different meats. You also get some instructions as well as some little pieces of Velcro. These are if you'd like to attach them on the back, and you can Velcro that to a grill or to a refrigerator. And then the box actually has a nice piece of foam in there if you wanted to store it in there. These are made in China. Some additional specifications there on the back if you'd like to pause that. Really the only con that I found with this is that that light just doesn't stay on very long. I wish it stayed on a little longer when you're out in the dark grilling. These will read temperatures from -50 degrees Celsius all the way up to 500 degrees Celsius. Even better, they're IP67, which means they're waterproof and durable to keep dust and other harmful things that can damage these. With other thermometers I've had in the past, you run them underwater as you're rinsing this off and water drips down in here or gets under the lens. So it's nice to have a waterproof one that you don't need to worry about that with. As a caution there, don't throw these in the dishwasher. Don't run them in water, but if water splashes on it, it should be safe. Seriously, for the price of these, it's well worth it. The value is so much better than some of the other thermometers I've used out there. Battery seems to last for quite a while. I would highly recommend picking one of these up.